Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very delicious and healthy fish recipe, which is Tangra Fish Curry, a popular variety of catfish family. Tangra catfish is an excellent source of protein, is low on carbs and extremely rich in healthy fats, and this freshwater fish also tastes good. So friends, let's get started with the making of Tangra fish curry, which is so good to enjoy with hot steamed rice. So here are the Tangra fish, and now I'm going to season them with some salt, say around half teaspoon or as per taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now rub the salt and turmeric powder well over the Tangra fish so that they are well coated from both the sides, and we will let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, heat a non-stick kadhai and add sufficient mustard oil to fry the Tangra fish, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the Tangra fish and fry them until they turn light golden brown from both the sides. After about 1 minute, flip the Tangra fish so as to fry the other side as well. And by now the Tangra fish is fried well from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. There is still some oil left in the kadhai, and now into this goes a pinch of kalonji or kala jeera or caraway seeds. Next goes one large onion which has been thinly sliced, and on medium flame we need to saute the onions well till they turn golden brown in color. And by now the onions has been fried well and has turned golden brown in color. Next goes a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 green chilli. Now fry the ginger garlic paste for a while until the raw smell and taste goes away. Then goes 1 medium tomato which has been finely chopped. Now saute the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes until oil starts to separate. And at this stage I will add 2 medium potatoes which has been boiled and cut lengthwise. Fry the potatoes well with the onions and tomatoes. And now I will quickly season this by adding 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, around half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of Dhaniya or Coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. If you want more spiciness, you can add normal red chilli powder also according to your spice level. Now mix all the spices well. And now we will cover and let this cook on medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, we'll open the lid to check and stir them once. So these spices has been fried well by now. At this stage, we'll add some water to form a gravy-like consistency. And as the gravy starts to boil, we'll add the fried Tangra fish into the gravy. Mix them well along with the gravy. And now again we will cover and let the fish simmer in the gravy for about 5 minutes on medium flame. And after 5 minutes we will check the gravy. So by now the gravy has also thickened slightly. I will check once for the salt proportion. Everything is just fine and the gravy tastes so good. But before turning off the flame, I will add some chopped coriander leaves. Give a final mix. And our Tangra fish is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our delicious and healthy Tangra fish or catfish curry into the serving bowl. Enjoy this yummy fish curry with hot steamed rice. I will garnish with one green chilli and some more chopped coriander on top. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious Tangra or catfish curry recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more interesting, healthy and yummy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.